Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Looking for the best water purifier for your home? In this video, we've handpicked the top 5 water purifiers that combine performance, technology, and value. Whether it's RO, UV, or advanced filtration, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Number 0A, the Simpure Y7BW, a countertop reverse osmosis water filter, and I must say, I'm genuinely impressed with performance, design, and ease of use. This 5-stage RO system offers NSF/ANSI 58 certification, giving peace of mind that you're getting cleaner, safer drinking water. The 100 GPD, gallons per day, capacity is more than sufficient for daily use, even for larger families. One of the standout features for me is the pH plus remineralization, which not only removes harmful contaminants, but also adds back essential minerals, giving the water a clean, crisp taste. Setup couldn't be easier. This unit is truly plug-and-play with no installation required, making it perfect for renters, RV users, or anyone who wants pure water without complex plumbing. It fits well on a countertop and has a sleek, modern design that looks great in any kitchen. The glass pitcher is a nice upgrade over plastic, both eco-friendly and better tasting. The touchscreen interface is intuitive and includes filter change indicators, so you're never left guessing. After a few weeks of use, I've noticed a real improvement in water taste and quality. Whether for drinking, cooking, or even coffee, the Simpure Y7BW consistently delivers. If you're looking for a compact, efficient, and high-performance water purifier, I highly recommend checking out this model. It's a game changer for anyone serious about clean, healthy water without the installation hassle. Number 2. The Glacier Fresh GFU03 reverse osmosis system is a standout choice. In this video, give a clear, informative, and hands-on overview of why it's worth the investment. From the very start, the video dives into the most attractive features of the GFU03. High flow rate, 800 GPD, non-electric design, tankless setup, and exceptional efficiency with a 3-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio. One of the video's strengths is how clearly it demonstrates the easy installation process. There's no drilling, no electrical wiring, and absolutely no noise, a major plus for apartments or anyone looking for a hassle-free setup. The undersink footprint is compact, and the 5-stage filtration process is well explained, especially the role each filter plays in purifying your water. The reviewer does a great job breaking down performance and practicality. The system's NSF certification, removal of over 1,000 contaminants, and filter change indicators are all touched on with the kind of clarity viewers need when making a purchase decision. It's clear that Glacier Fresh has focused on convenience as much as quality. The twist and pull filter replacement shown in the video is genuinely easy, no tools, no mess. This video also offers a real-world test of the water taste and TDS levels, giving viewers an authentic look at results. The lack of a storage tank means you get fresh water on demand, and the fast flow rate shown in the video supports that claim well. Overall, this is a highly informative, honest, and visually clean review that balances technical specs with user-friendly insights. Whether you're health-conscious, eco-conscious, or just tired of buying bottled water, this video proves the GFU03 is a top-tier solution for modern homes. Number 3. The Countertop Reverse Osmosis System Water Filter with UV. 5-to-1 pure to drain. 5-stage RO water filtration. If you're searching for a high-efficiency, portable water filtration solution that doesn't require complex installation, this countertop reverse osmosis system with UV might just be your perfect match. In this video, we take a close, hands-on look at what makes this 5-stage RO water purifier stand out, and why it could be the ideal choice for apartments, small kitchens, offices, RVs, and even dorm rooms. One of the biggest highlights is its 5-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio, which is a major upgrade from traditional systems that waste significant amounts of water. This means you're getting far more filtered water with far less waste, an eco-friendly and cost-efficient bonus that sets it apart from many competitors. We also walk you through its 5-stage filtration system, which includes sediment and carbon filters, a reverse osmosis membrane, and a UV sterilization stage that helps eliminate bacteria and viruses, delivering ultra-clean, safe drinking water. The result? Water that tastes crisp, pure, and refreshing, free from chlorine, heavy metals, PFAS, fluoride, and other contaminants. What's especially convenient is a plug-and-play design. No tools, drilling, or permanent installation is required. Just plug it in, add water, and you're good to go. It's a perfect fit for renters or anyone who doesn't want to deal with plumbing hassles. The unit is surprisingly compact, stylish enough to sit on any countertop, and includes a touch control interface that's intuitive and easy to use. In the video, we also show a side-by-side comparison with tap water and bottled water, and the results speak for themselves, not just in taste, but in TDS, total dissolved solids, readings. We also go over the water tank capacity, filtration speed, and how to clean and maintain the unit for long-term use. Another bonus, the UV purification is a rare feature for countertop models and adds an extra layer of peace of mind. If you're sourcing water from a questionable supply, this can be a game changer. Whitehead Checkmark Pros highlighted in the video. Excellent filtration performance. High pure water yield, 5:1 ratio. UV light for sterilization. Portable, no install design. Modern, user-friendly interface. Warning, minor considerations. You'll need to refill the tank manually, not connected to a faucet. UV light adds the power use slightly, though minimal. Overall, if you're looking for a compact, powerful, and efficient water purifier, this countertop RO system delivers excellent value. Whether you're upgrading your drinking water setup or want a reliable purifier for travel or work, this system offers professional-grade filtration with convenience of portability. Be sure to watch the full video for setup tips, performance tests, and a real-world review that goes beyond the spec sheet. Number 4. The NatureFlow F4 Countertop Reverse Osmosis System Water Filter, a sleek and powerful addition to any modern kitchen. If you're serious about water purity and overall health, this 10-stage RO filtration system with alkaline mineral enhancement and multiple temperature settings could be a game changer. The review opens with detailed unboxing, showing off the unit's premium build and intuitive touchscreen interface. It's evident that the NatureFlow F4 was designed with convenience in mind. Its tool-free setup makes installation effortless, perfect for renters or anyone who want high-end filtration without permanent plumbing modifications. One of the standout features covered in the video is the 5-temperature setting function. Whether you're making baby formula, instant coffee, tea, or just want room temp or chill water, the F4 gives you instant access with the push of a button. The reviewer does an excellent job demonstrating how quickly and efficiently the system dispenses water at each temperature. The 10-stage filtration system is thoroughly explained, including the RO membrane that removes up to 99% of contaminants, such as heavy metals, chlorine, PFAS, and microplastics. Unlike standard RO systems that often leave water flat tasting or acidic, the NatureFlow F4 reintroduces natural alkaline minerals like calcium and magnesium, improving both taste and pH balance. What truly sets this video apart is the honest side-by-side taste test and a real-time TDS, total dissolved solids, meter demonstration. Viewers can clearly see the difference in water quality before and after filtration. The reviewer also points out key practical features, including the Smart Filter Life Indicator, compact design, and energy-efficient operation. Overall, this is a thorough, informative, and visually engaging review that offers real value to anyone considering a countertop water filtration system. If you're on the fence about investing in a premium RO system, this video will help you make an informed decision. Number 5. The Philips Reverse Osmosis Water Filter Countertop System, a 6-stage RO filtration powerhouse featuring Aquaporin technology. Designed for efficiency and portability, this unit comes with 2 portable pitchers, making clean, great-tasting water accessible anywhere in your home. What sets it apart is its NSF/ANSI 372 certification, ensuring safety and lead-free materials, which adds peace of mind. The 6-stage filtration removes impurities, chlorine, heavy metals, and bacteria, delivering pure, refreshing water. Setup is straightforward, and the compact countertop design fits perfectly in modern kitchens without requiring complex plumbing. The inclusion of Aquaporin membranes enhances water flow while maintaining excellent purification standards. Whether you're looking to improve your drinking water quality or want a convenient, portable solution, this system is impressive in performance and value. Watch the full review for an in-depth look at its features, installation, and real-world use.